I'm Carla Littleton, Animal and Habitats Coordinator here at the Carnegie Science Center. And we're here because we need to continue to provide excellent care for our animal ambassadors that live here at the Science Center. So as you can see, I am here by myself in the exhibit gallery, practicing the social distancing that they suggest, but I do need to be here as essential staff to take care of our animals. Today I want to talk a little bit about what it means when you're here at the Science Center and we talk about our species being threatened or endangered or extirpated. And I want to give you some information on that so that when you come back you'll have a little more information about our animal ambassadors. So the first is our eastern box turtle. The eastern box turtle is listed as vulnerable in the state of PA. It's a species of concern for fish and boat. And it cites Appendix 2, which means this species is not necessarily threatened or endangered yet, but there's some usage, particularly in this species, taking from the wild for pets that can possibly make them endangered or threatened in the future. We use our eastern box turtle to talk a lot about our forests. This is also called the woodland box turtle. And this is a good species for talking about habitat fragmentation, which is habitats not being connected. This species needs about a square mile per individual, and their territories don't overlap, so they need a lot of space in order to be a viable population. Another species I want to talk about while we're here is our tiger salamander, or the eastern tiger salamander. Now this species you're not going to see here in Pennsylvania any longer. It's what's called extirpated. Extirpated means that that species is no longer found in an area that it once inhabited, but it may exist in other places. So our tiger salamander is extirpated in Pennsylvania, but it is around in other nearby states where you can see it in the wild. And for us, we need to have a species like this in our collection so that we can talk about what is at risk when we talk about conservation in our state. This species probably when like my grandparents were alive would have been a very common species. So in a couple generations we've gone from a common species to something that is rare. And that's a very important thing to think about. So when you come to the Science Center, you can learn about this from our staff. There are informative signs about all of our animals here. But we do encourage you, when you are back here at the Science Center, to ask questions about our animals and get more information about our animal ambassadors.